my Honda Pilot got a TPMS light on, and when I check it out, the rear passenger side tire is actually low on air, or the TPMS light is on. So I filled it up with air, and when I filled it up with air, it went up to like 32-34 psi. It's okay, but when I pulled out the tire inflator, air hisses out from the valve stem, and it turns out that the valve here got corroded, and when I tried to pull it out, it snapped off. So my valve is pretty much destroyed, so I need to replace the whole TPMS sensor. Now, will a $15 Amazon TPMS work on this Honda Pilot? So if you look at that, there's no more valve in there. It basically has no air, and this is a number 11 deep socket, and I'm going to loosen it out first, and then I'm going to use my Harbor Freight bead breaker to open this out. Here's my bead breaker setup. Needs more force. After a lot of persuasion, I put a 2x4 in here, and let's see if I have some room to take out the okay, that's weird. Like I damaged the tire pressure sensor. It's not there anymore. So where did it go? Yep. Use a vice grip to loosen this one. So where did the sensor go? Oh, finally I found the sensor. Yep. I don't know if this is original Honda. I'm not so sure. But yeah, I have to take that tire out of the bead. Now I'm going to put it back again, which is not fun. installed with the new TPMS, and we'll do the test. Okay. All right. No TPMS sensor, no TPMS light showing. Okay. Okay, well, I'll drive it and see how it goes. So far, it's not that bad. No TPMS light. So the $15 TPMS from Amazon works. Problem is when it when it will work. Well, I mean, how long does it last? That's the question there. But it seems to be easy. I mean, if it doesn't last long, I'm just gonna pop it out. Anyway, it's fine. Yep. So yeah, so far so good. I've been driving it like more than 30 miles an hour for like probably 10 minutes now, and yep, nothing came up.